In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find the center here in Canva. Now, I'm going to show you two different ways. So first off, I have this graphic just here, and let's say we want to put this directly in the center. Now, if we slowly drag on this and bring it to the center, we're going to see that it actually clicks into place. Now, this is the center in between the top and the bottom. We know this because we can see this little pink line going through the center. So that's the center that way. But now if we slowly drag this into the middle, we're going to see another line all of a sudden pop up and it clicks into place. So there, right here is the center, and this is now centered. Now another way to do this is by using rulers and guides. So if we come up to File just here, come down to Settings, then click on Show Rulers and Guides, we can then drag this to the center as well, and it's going to do exactly the same thing where it turns slightly pink. So if we keep going, there we go, it's clicked into place, so that's the center there. And if we do the same on this one, so right down here we can see no pink line, but if we gently bring that to the center, it clicks in place, and now we have our center just here. So what we can do is take our elements, our fonts, or anything like that, drag it to the middle, and there we go. That is now centered. So that's just how easy it is to find the center here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.